Hello everyone. So today we are going to discuss laws of exponents. Please write down. The topic is laws of exponents. We are going to discuss about the different laws which are applicable in exponents. So first law, suppose you are having a number a. Suppose you are having a number a and its power is m. It is raised to the power m multiplied by again the same number, that is the base is same a, and is raised to the power n this times, a different number. So in this case what we can do is, when the base is same and it is in multiplication, the powers are added together, that is the power will become m plus n. The power will become m plus n. Like for example, if you are having 3 to the power 3 multiplied by 3 to the power 8, then you can write it down as 3 to the power 3 plus 8, that is 3 to the power 11. 3 to the power 11. Then second law, the second law says that if there is a number a raised to the power m is divided by a raised to the power n, then when the base is same and there is division, the power is subtracted. So you can write it down as a to the power m minus n. You can write it down as number a to the power m minus n. Power is subtracted. In division, if the base is same, the power is subtracted. In multiplication, if the base is same, the power is added. Like for example, let us take a number. So if we take a number like 5 to the power 7 divided by 5 to the power 2, 5 to the power 2, then we can write it down as 5 to the power 7 minus 2, that is 5 to the power 5. 5 to the power 5, right? Third law says that if there is a number a whose power is m and it is raised to the power n, a to the power m raised to the power n, so this will become a to the power m into n. The power is multiplied. The power is multiplied. Like for example, if you are having, let us take a fraction. So if you are having 1 by 2 raised to the power 2 raised to the power 3. So it can be written as 1 by 2 raised to the power 2 multiplied by 3, that is 1 by 2 raised to the power 6. raised to the power 6. So power gets multiplied when there is a bracket and the number inside the bracket is raised to a certain power, the both powers get multiplied. Then fourth law. Fourth law, we can say that if there are two numbers, like for example A and B, and both are raised to the power m, both are raised to the power m. This A and B means what? A is multiplied to B. A is multiplied to B. So this can be written as, this power m will be transferred to both of the numbers. So it can be written as A to the power m multiplied by B to the power m. The power m will be applied to both of the numbers. Like for example, if we have 3 into 4 power 3. So it can be written as 3 to the power 3 multiplied by 4 to the power 3. The power 3 will be distributed to both of the numbers. Then fifth law. Fifth law is that if there is a number and whose power is 0, so any number is raised to the power 0, its value is 1, always 1. Any number raised to the power 0, the value is 1. Like for example, if you get to see 5 raised to the power 0, so its value will be given as 1. It will be written as 1. Sixth law. If A is raised to the power minus m, if a number is raised to the power minus m, and power is in negative form, negative number, so it can be written as 1 upon a to the power m. When we do the reciprocal, the power becomes positive, and it is vice versa also. Like if you are given a to the power n, then you can also write it as a to the power minus of n. A to the power minus of n. For example, if you see 2 raised to the power minus 2, 2 raised to the power minus 2 can be written as 1 upon 2 raised to the power 2. 1 upon 2 raised to the power 2, that is 1 upon 4. 1 upon 4. And if it is written like 3 raised to the power, or you say 1 upon 3 raised to the power 2, you can write it down as 3 to the power minus 2. In exponent form, you can write it down as 3 to the power minus 2. Then, for example, if there is a by b, a fraction, and its power is negative, so you can do the reciprocal of the fraction which is inside the bracket, and the power will become positive. So it can be written as b by a raised to the power m. The negative sign will make the reciprocal of the fraction. The negative sign will do the reciprocal of the fraction. Like for example, if you are having 2 by 3 raised to the power minus 2. So you can directly write it down as 3 by 2 raised to the power 2. 3 by 2 raised to the power 2. So the fraction just becomes the reciprocal of the fraction.